Yes. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
A very good morning, everyone. What did we do in the last class? What did we learn? Where did we stop?
Notice.
We learned about notice writing. I showed you what is the format of writing a notice. And also, we did the solved examples. I told you to read, whoever has this book, I told you to read page number 52. Did you all read the solved examples? Everyone is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, did you come across any doubt in this too? Notices?
No,
The
ma'am.
solved examples? Any doubt did you all have?
No, ma'am.
No? Anybody else? Anyone else with any doubt? Okay. Now, for you all to become more familiar or for you all to learn how to write a notice, I will solve these worksheets. Okay, open to page number 53. Those who don't have the book, just for now, you write it down in your rough book. Okay, for now, you just write it down in your rough book, and later, once you come to collect your books, you can put it down in your work pull-out books. Yes, children? Yes, now we'll solve the worksheet. Those who have the book, start writing in your book. Those who don't have, write it down in your rough book. Later, once you come to school and collect the books today, you can put it down in your pull-out books. Now, the first one, open to page number 53. We'll do the first worksheet. We'll write the first notice. Page number 53. Worksheet 1. Okay, we'll solve the first worksheet, worksheet 1, and the first notice. Now, what is the notice that you have to write? Students who don't have the book, pay attention. And those who have the book, look into your books on page number 53. You are Suman, Sumit of class 6. Okay, you can write your name also, but here they have given the name of Suman and Sumit. If it is a girl, they have mentioned the name as Suman. For a boy, Sumit. You have lost a library book issued in your name. Draft a notice giving full details of the book, time and place. Okay, now what you need to do here, they are telling you to draft a letter to the students. They have told you to draft a letter to the students saying that you are Suman or Sumit of 6th standard and you have to write a notice saying that you have lost a book. And if anyone finds, they need to return. And here also you have some hints. See here you have some hints. Okay. Now what is the hint? That you need to use these words and draft a notice. Library book. The name of the library book is Discovery of India. Where did you lose it? It was lost in the canteen. The undersigned will be able. Okay, now what is undersigned will be available? That means whoever is writing the letter and whoever finds the book must go to room number 10. Okay, now supposing if I have lost the book, you need to come to room number 10 and hand it over to me. And whoever finds the lost books and gives it to me, you will be awarded with a treat. Okay, so this is the notice that you need to write. And what you need to include in the notice? You need to include the details of the book, that is the name of the book, the time, what time you have lost the book, and where did you lose the book. So shall we start writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So to write a notice, what is the first thing we need to follow? Huh? Yes. What is the heading? What is the heading?
Ma'am, notice.
Before the heading, you need to write the notice. Notice will be your heading. Yes, very good. It is going to be as Good shepherd. Write all of you with me. You need to write along with me. Good shepherd central school. And along with the name of the school, what do you need to write, children? What do you need to write along with the name of the school? Yes, Belgavi. You don't have to forget, you should not forget by writing the name of the institution along with the place. Okay, now I have written the heading Good Shepherd Central School. What is my next format that I need to follow? Yes, where should I write the date? Where should the date be written? Where should I write the? Huh? Yes, at the left hand side. At the left hand side, I need to write the date. What date? What is the date today? Yes, so I will write 26 July 2021. You all need to write with me. 26 July 2021. After that, after the date, heading is already over. No. Yes, I need to write the word notice, not the heading. Heading is already written. Pratham, I need to write the word notice. And remember, all this should come in a capital letter. The name of the institution and the word notice, we need to write it in a capital letter. Next, what is the notice about? What are you going to write there? What will be the heading? Yes. Lost which book? Yes, you need to mention that. Lost library book. Okay, so your heading will be Lost library book. This is the heading for the name of the institution. Then you write the date on the left hand side, and the center you write the word notice, and this is your heading for your notice. Next, what should I do? Write the content. Directly should I start writing the content? What should I do? I need to put it in a box. What should I do? I should put this content in a box. Did I explain to you? Whenever you are writing any content, whenever you are writing the content, your notice should always be in a box. Okay, the notice should be in a box. Okay, so now what content we shall be write? What should I write here? I'll write, this is to inform you that, write it down children. This is to inform you that, yes, what am I informing? Directly I'll start. Then, who is writing the book? Who is writing the notice? Yes, so you can write I, Suman, would bring to your notice, write this children, to the notice of of all the students of which standard? Yes, of standard 6.
6.
Yes, that I have lost. I have lost what? What is this? What have you lost? What has he lost?
Library.
Yes, here you can write Suman or who's that? Suman or Sumit. Okay, if you are a girl, you can write Suman. If it's a boy, whatever, you can write your name also. That I have lost the library book. What is the name of the book? What is the name of the book? Yes, you need to give the details also. Which book has he lost? You need to give the details also. Of discovery of what? Discovery of what? What is the name of the book? They are mentioned. See in the box where you have the hints. They have given the name of the book. Discovery of India. Discovery of India, not world. Okay, now you have to tell that you have lost the book. When did you lose? Yes,
But I can't see properly both.
it is visible. The board is visible. Yes. Okay, I lost the library book Discovery of India. When? You need to tell the date. When did you lose? Now today is 26th July. What date can we put?
25.
25. 24. 25 you can say it was a Saturday. So you lost, sorry, 25 was a Sunday. So you lost the book on Saturday. So you can put on 24th July. At what time? That means you need to tell what time did you go to the library. Which time you had your library period. You can put it. You can put it as 10 a.m. Okay? Where did you lose it? What they have given, where did you lose the book? Yes. That is, I lost the library book Discovery of India on 24 July at 10 a.m. in the canteen. Okay? So this is my notice. Then after that, now I have to write if anybody finds the book, where should it be given? Yes, how should I write it down? Directly signature. What have they given? You have to tell them. See in the box, page number 53, the first box. You have to tell if anybody finds where should they give the books. This is incomplete circle notice. Yes. So tell me how should I write it? How should I write it? What should I write? If what should I write? If anyone finds the book, if anyone finds the book, then what? Kindly hand over it where? To the undersigned. Who is this to the undersigned? Undersigned is who is the person writing the notice. Okay, see here. If anyone finds the book, kindly hand over to the undersigned. Undersigned is who? A person who is writing the notice. Now, if it is Suman, if Suman is writing the notice, she will be the undersigned. So you need to write this notice as hand it over to the undersigned. Undersigned means the person who is writing the notice. Kindly hand it over to the undersigned. Where? Where? Room number?
Room number.
Yes, room number 10. Okay, then after that one more we have a treat is promised. Then one we can write one more sentence. The finder. Who is the finder? Finder is a person who finds the book. Okay? The finder of this book will be treated. Who is this finder, children? Who is this? Yes, the person who finds the book. Now see here, in the hints, in the box, they have told you the library book. So we have written about the lost of library book. The second hint is discovery of India. So we have also mentioned the name of the book. Then they have mentioned they have told you to give the details. When did you lose it? What time did you lose the book? And where did we lose the book? So when 24 July, when at 10 a.m., where in the canteen. So again what they have told, if anyone finds the book, give it to the undersigned, that is give it to the person who is writing the letter in room number 10. And one more, the finder of this book will be treated. So whoever finds and gives the book will be treated. What is treated? What is treated? Treated means what? Yes? They will be given a party. Okay, they will be given a party. Now, who has written this letter? What should we write here? Who is writing here? Suman. Okay, now I've taken name of Suman. If you are writing the name of Suman, you can write Suman. If you also can write your name, but you can mention whoever's name is given. Then Suman. Then here what you can put it as? He is from C class 6. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Don't say no, ma'am. You have lots of doubt. Only thing you are not asking. But when I'm asking you, you are not able to tell me. Before that, you tell me, do you all have any doubt? Feel free to ask. Even if you have any doubt, you have to ask. Anga, have you all written this?
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing you all need to copy along with the same format. The same format has to be written, children. You cannot change anything. The name of the institution, the word notice, then the heading, then your date. You have to write it properly. You just can't write it anyhow that you want. Okay? Huh? What?
We can write all.
You can write your own, but you need to give all the details that is required.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. So shall we go to the next notice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we go to worksheet 2, children? Shall we do the second worksheet?
ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll do the second notice. Listen carefully. What is the notice about you that you need to write? You are Mohit Manish of AB Public School. As a secretary of the social club of your school, draft a notice about a blood donation camp being organized in the school, requesting the students to donate blood to save precious life. Now, what is the notice? They've given the notice as there is a blood donation. What is blood donation camp? What is blood? Have you heard about it? Have you heard about this? Yes. Blood donation camp is nothing but wherein you donate the blood to the people who are in need of blood. Okay? Yes. So now here they have told you to write a notice where you have to request the students to donate blood to save the life of others. Okay, now here what you need to include in your writing, that is there is a blood donation camp, where, when and at what time you have to mention it, and the blood donation camp is been inaugurated. Okay, the inauguration of the camp will be done by the principal of the school. So you have to write a letter to the students of your school. Okay, as a member or a secretary of the social club, you need to write a notice to the students that there is a blood donation camp. You have to give them the time, the date, and the venue where it is, and you have to encourage them or inform them or request them to donate blood. Okay, so it is a letter of request. So you need to request the students to donate blood. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what will come first?
AB Public School.
Yes, very good. AB. Yes. Now here we have written Good Shepherd Central School because they had not given any name of the school. But in the second notice they have given the name of the school. So we have to write that name itself. So what is the name of the school? Which school is organizing the blood donation camp? AB. And remember, it has to be in a capital letter. It always has to start with capital letter. AB Public School. Now they have not mentioned any place, so we will not write the name of the place. Next, after that, huh? Yes, day. What day shall we put? Again, today we can put today's date. That is today. If we are writing the notice today, we can put today's date. That is 26 July 2021. Children, listen here. You have space in the next page now. Page number 54. You can write it down there, or you can write this here, and the box you can write it behind. Anyways, whichever you feel comfortable with. Next, after that, what should I write here after the name of the institution? Yes, good. I will write the word notice. What is my notice about? Yes, yes, good. So I will write blood donation, blood donation camp. Then after this, after this, directly we should start. What do you, yes, we need to start the notice, but before that, what did I tell you in the last letter? Yes, we need to put the box. Yes. Yes, we need to put a box in. Always, you should not forget to put the notice in a box. Okay, now shall we start? Now tell me what should I do?
Yes, ma'am.
What should I write now? I can start as our school. Our school means which school?
AB Public School.
Yes, AB Public School. Yes, good. Our school, you can say, is organizing. Our school is organizing what?
A blood donation camp.
Yes, a blood donation camp. When? When? Today is 26th July. So when you want the school to organize the blood donation camp? Yes? When you want the donation to happen, camp to happen?
29.
29, okay. You can put on 29th July, put it as 2021. Okay? 29th July 2021. What time? You have to tell them now what time?
9 a.m.
Yes. From, you can put it as 11 a.m. From 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay? You need to tell the time from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Where can we have this camp?
In the school ground.
Okay. Our school is organizing a blood donation camp on 29 July 2021 from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the school ground. Okay. Now you have to request the students to donate blood. So how will you write? And you also need to tell them that the inauguration of the blood donation camp will be inaugurated by the principal. So what shall we write here? The inauguration will be done by whom?
The principal.
By the principal. Now you have to request the students to donate blood. How will you put that? Tell me. You have no doubts, sir? So tell me now. You should request the students. So how should I put this? Yes. Then yes. So here I request the students of our school to donate blood to for what? To save the lives of, you can say, sick people. Yes, you can write sick people. To save the life of sick people. Okay, to save the life of sick people and help the society. Okay? See, our school is organizing a blood donation camp on 29 July 2021 from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the school, sorry, this is group, on the school ground. The inauguration will be done by the principal. I request the students of our school to donate blood to save the lives of the sick people and help the society. So all my information is there in this notice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now something is missing. What should I write here? What is missing? Yes, who is writing the notice? If it is Mohit, write Mohit. If it is Manish, then write Manish. Any name you can write. And who are they? Who are they? What designation do they have? Huh? Who are they? They are the secretary. Yes, they are the secretary of social club. They are the secretary of the social club. Yes. The inauguration. Write it down. You all are writing? Okay, those who are writing, I just give you 2 minutes more. I just give you 2 minutes more, those who are writing. We shall just discuss the third notice. Okay, and we will solve it in tomorrow's class. Now see the third notice, children, pay attention. Draft a suitable notice for your school notice board informing the students about the magic show being organized by your school in aid of victims of floods in Bihar. You are Neha Naman, the school pupil leader, Model School, Secunderabad. Now what is the letter about? You need to write a letter to your school students, okay, saying that the school is organizing what? What is the heading now?
Magic show.
Magic show. So you need to write a notice to the school students saying that the school is organizing a magic show and whatever. Why are they arranging a magic show, or why are the school organizing a magic show? To help the victims of floods. That is to help the victims, that is the people who are affected by the floods in Bihar. Okay, so the amount you can write whatever money or whatever funds you are getting by organizing, this money will be sent to the people who are the victims of Bihar flood. So you need to draft a letter as the head girl of the school or the head boy of the school. You need to write a letter to all the students. Clear? If you all can or are able to do it, you all can do it. Otherwise, in tomorrow's class, we will solve this notice. Yes? Yes. And if you have any doubts, so again we will clarify it in tomorrow's class. Right, children? And then after this worksheet is over, we will move on to the next topic. That is what you will have for your exam, the next topic what you have for exam. Tomorrow I will solve this notice and then we will go to the new topic. So whatever worksheets are there as a practice, you have to solve it. Yes, that again I will give it tomorrow. Right, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll meet in tomorrow's class. If you have any doubts, we shall clarify it again tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.